Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set Reels to private in Instagram. So it's actually Instagram doesn't currently allow individual Reels to be set to private like you can with stories or regular posts. However, there are workarounds to limit who can see your Reels. So there is only one option that can make the reels kinda private. Let's get into our app to show you what you need to do to just be as close as to this as close as you can be to make your reels invisible or private. So you just need to go to these three lines on your profile, and here I want you to look for the account privacy. Account privacy. Tap on it, and right here I want you to make your account private just by tapping on by switching this option from off to on. And once you do that, you will kinda be sure that the people that want to see your reels, they will not get through your account to see the reels. So this will makes all your content also private, including reels, visible only to approved followers. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.